Hey, this is Chris and he's going to show us how to swap out a toggle switch on your transfer switch. After you've removed the panel, you're going to go to the upper board and unscrew the screws that secure that in place as well. Then you want to move to the top of the transfer switch and remove the screws. Be careful when you're removing the second screw as it does tend to pop out. Once you've identified which toggle switch needs to be replaced, you're going to be removing the 3 wires attached to it. Be sure to make note of which terminal they're attached to so that you can connect them properly when you're putting it back in. Once the wires have been removed, use a flathead screwdriver to lift and release the retaining clip from the toggle switch. Be careful when removing it as these sometimes do break. If that occurs, you will have an additional retaining clip in the kit for replacement. Put the retaining clip around the new toggle switch. Use your flathead screwdriver to make sure that it's secured in place, and double check to make sure the toggle switch is nice and snug. Reconnect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Support the unit as you use a flathead screwdriver to ensure that each wire is secured in place. Now you've officially replaced your toggle switch. Chris is looking very proud. You should be too if you followed along at home. And make sure you give your narrator a high five.